Grease, monkey, gone.
Well, it sounds like the duck fucking bayou starting to wake up. I think I heard that old dirty, nasty, smelling grease monkey key up too. I heard that old grease monkey key up. And I got Rimshot. Two bayou and my radio at the same time. Oh, grease monkey, by Rimshot 350 working this old Henry 2K in Georgia.
What's going on, 350? You working at Henry 2000, and you sounded, hey, Coach Choice down around New Orleans. A worldwide 350. Grease monkey in the fucking country. On his Cobra 29 350 bill, break.
Yeah, hello, right back, grease monkey. Grease monkey sounding real tight, big brother. I don't know if you know it or not. Hey, grease monkey, you got a doggone hammer down, but you tied to the clothespin there, Brady.
Hey, what about right there? What about right there? I'm having a little bit of difficulties with this 1500Z over here. Hey, what about right there? Hey, 350 Grease Monkey say, what about right there, break?
Hey, grease monkey, that's good, man. That's right. That's a good one out there, Rimshot. Hey, grease monkey, you got it. 350 right back.
That's that dang 1500Z. Every now and then a little 1500Z messes me up a little bit. Hey, 350, sometimes that damn 1500Z messes me up a little bit. Worldwide 350 Grease Monkey. 3,000 bird wise, break.
Great big old mall. Hey, grease monkey, I'm right back.
Hey, what does this sound like right here? I turned off the 1 pill. I got the radio going into a 2 pill, hitting the 1Z, hitting the 3,000. That's about 5,000 bird watts. Is the audio still good, or did the audio fall off? 350 break.
No, man, the audio it still sounds the same. I couldn't have told that you had changed nothing. Look, I ain't trying to hurt your duck-looking feelings. Hey, man, listen. Hey, grease monkey, I am not trying to hurt your duck-looking feelings whatsoever. But when you pumped up, on that last key you said you pumped up, you better be watching out, because that Rimshot that rolled up in there and said, man, he sounds pretty doggone good. He heard you on the playback. Now, he done rolled up in there and gave you a compliment, but he rolled up in there on you after you pumped up. Hey, grease monkey, hey, Rimshot 350 getting down.
Grease on your place. Six, crazy, more crazy. Tell him I said Happy New Year. Tell him I said Happy New Year. I slow keyed. I'm trying to be a nice monkey this year, 350. Tell him I slow keyed. I gave my head start because I'm a nice monkey. I want to wish him a Happy New Year. Monkey gone.
No, duck fucker, you ain't gonna back out of this one. You know what you did, I know what you did, and the water game knows what you just did. Check this out.
Saying that cotton nigga sounded pretty good. Put it on your lady, 350 Rimshot gone. I gave my head start because I'm a nice monkey. I want to wish him a Happy New Year. Monkey gone.
I don't know if it got the whole thing or not. I gotta fix them buttons. But hopefully it got the whole key. Because I heard Rimshot, and then here come that grease monkey as soon as Rimshot got up off that duck-looking mall. Now Rimshot said he wasn't looking for no fight, but I think that duck fucker, he's out there joshing around. He's acting like he don't want to fight, but he knows what he's doing. Hey, Grease Monkey, hey, Rimshot, 350, getting down.
Can he do it again? Can he do it again? Hey, 350. Grease Monkey want to know, can he do it again? Break.
Hey, Rimshot, you made me have to leave that duck fucker on the mall because you said you didn't want to get no monkey fleas on you. Now look, I know they're different kind of fleas, but I ain't never heard of grease. Hey, Rimshot, I ain't never heard of no monkey fleas, break.
That's what I'm saying.
Anytime, Mr. 117, worldwide, 117, getting down.
What are you saying? What exactly is it that you're saying? 24/7.
What you said, I'm gonna let you just say it, because that was just plumb me a hateful, man. Hey, Rimshot, you said them monkeys carrying all kind of little insects on them, man. I don't know about all that. Hey, Grease Monkey, defend yourself, 350, skip the cut.
0 and a 4. Carolina's gonna bump it down once, small their breath.
Hey, 350, here I come again. Hey, 350, I didn't keep the last 2 turns. I'm trying to gather myself. I was trying to stretch. I got all these fleas. Hey, 350, I'm trying to stretch myself, and I got all these fleas over here that bay.
Got up off the key by now, but you said you don't want to get with that duck fucker because he gonna wind up tearing something up. He gonna wind up getting mad and tearing something up down that way, and you don't want him to have to tear up his doggone station just to key on you. Hey, Rimshot, I'm about to sprinkle a little spice in that doggone 5 I just rolled back. But look, you said you don't want...
They tried again, come on.
Oh, I got corn, broccoli in the cupboard, onion and some green pepper, some tomato sauce, some garlic, some more seasonings, just kind of doctor up.
Real good copy. Hey, Rimshot, that was all you once again. You got my double come on, see. 8-0. That way. Hey, Grease Monkey, if you still got a copy, Rimshot, put it on there next time. Good job, both of y'all. 350 with the backwoods is getting down.
Bloodhound in Virginia back in the bushes.
That's true.
Hey, appreciate it. Hey, it was me 309. I get out of your ears, man. I'm gonna ease on up just a little more. I'm gonna turn this stuff.
Uh-oh, there comes Soul Snatcher on the driver. There's Soul Snatcher. Hello, Soul Snatcher deep in the Bayou Country, 350, right back.
Put any diesel fuel in my truck for probably
Man, cutting like a hot knife through butter and the water gate don't lie. Listen to this. I heard one person dang them come back, but then these boys in Louisiana.
I had to take her back to Well, I know it. I fell asleep, woke up at 12.
We might have a battle of the 350 Cobra 29 down the Bayou tonight. We might have a battle of the 350 Cobra 29s out the Bayou because we got Grease Monkey and that doggone Rimshot at the same fucking time. Well, I don't know. That Rimshot got them all laid down. 350.
Hey, them slow days are welcome sometimes, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
you come from, the fucking oh, hello to you, 85. Well, you took over my radio, 350, right back.
Free?
8350, Grease Monkey wanna play too. 8350, Monkey said I wanna play too. 350, Grease Monkey wanna play too, break.
Man, all I know, I'm sitting here talking about Soul Snatcher and Rimshot and the Grease Monkey, and you up there with all that heavy audio. Damn near made this KLH 9930 bounce up off the desk, man. Hey, 85, you damn near made this 9930 bounce up off my doggone desk, all that bottom edge you got. Hello, 85, long time no hear, 350, right back.
5008, 721, Southeast Georgia.
008 level. Okay, stand by.
Okay, tell me, Sam's Club's got it for $295.
That last key, man, he told me to let you know something, but I ain't gonna tell no 99. That was about that last key, cause somebody was up in there with you. And you was just barely over the top with the audio, but I could barely make out what you was putting down, man. Somebody nipped at your heel.
Oh, no, man.
I ain't watching this ground play, man. The ground play will catch on fire. Skip shoot.
That gets rough and tough in there. For your 5, Tennessee just kind of gets in there.
Man, you ain't got too much bottom end from my receivers on this doggone Superstar 88, man. I can promise you, you ain't got too much bottom end from this receiver on this side. Now, I don't know about a stock radio, but I can hear everything you putting down on this end, no doubt about it. Hey, 85, it's about getting over the coax.
8350, Grease Monkey wanna ease up in that too. 8350-616, Monkey said, I'm gonna talk with these conditions we got. 350, Grease Monkey, bye-bye.
That's my 85-410 Roger, you did it once again, man. I'm telling you, I ain't gonna call no double-fucking names until I get a clear 28. I ain't gonna call no names and put no target on nobody's back until I get a clear 28. But you holding them back just about the whole key. 40 miles an hour. 47.
Bus up there.
Holding them boys behind you back, ain't no doubt about it. Hey, 85 on hope you have a good doggone Christmas and New Year's. Save on it. There's no digits or nothing like that. Hey, 85, welcome to 2026, 350 right back. Over. Hey, I don't reckon it's gonna be any of us. It ain't gonna be none of us anytime soon. I hear you down there in the bayou, in the BYU, at 146. Hey, 85. We have a new contender, man. Hey, 85, I've heard everything you was putting down. I got to let you know that. Oh, so bad. What you talking about? What are you talking about? Yeah, you got a new contender on this doggone game. So,
What about the monkey? 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 350. What about the monkey? Break.
Okay, what about the monkey? He's gonna shock you down. Man, this Mother Nature done turned into a tornado.
play this back, and this is probably going to sound like that whole last key sounded like this. Like if you walk outside and look at a pile of dog crap and just think about how that pile of dog crap would sound, that's what this last key sounded like. Check this. One channel out, man, the one person. I heard Soul Snatcher say something about the King of 28. Chair. Something about the King of 28. One of y'all said something about that, and I ain't quite sure which one it was, but somebody's trying to be the King of 28, 350, with my listening ears on, brother.
How about that down there in that body? Triple nickel.
Kind of unusual getting a lot of usually get, at least I'm getting it. Anyway, how you doing? Appreciate the bump down last night. East Coast, where you just think like this one.
I had 85 the first half of that key, and then Soul Snatcher brought up the rear and had the last half of that key. Hey, Soul Snatcher, I heard about half of your key. I heard half of 85 key. Y'all sitting popping back and forth, but 85 said he ain't trying to be the King of 28. He said he ain't trying to be the King of 28. I'm pretty sure what he was saying is he is the King of 28. I ain't trying to put no words in 85's mouth. I'm just talking like it is. Hey, hello to you, Soul Snatcher. Hello, 85. I'm right back.
I just want to be the king of the toilet. I just want to be the king of the toilet. Grease monkey just want to be the king of the toilet. A350 grease monkey say I just want to be the king of the toilets. I just want to be the king of the toilets. 350616 monkey, aka the king of the toilets, break.
Boy, it's been a long time since I got to rep a good fight. Y'all definitely are not disappointing tonight. Y'all are not disappointing this doggone Georgia station tonight one bit. I heard Soul Snatcher roll up in there. He said, there's only room for one. Hey, 85. Soul Snatcher wanted me to tell him. But then I heard 85.
I'm walking by this radio reading. Georgia read the mail.
Number one in the Swamp Break. Northeast corner of
Well, I guess I ain't got nothing.
I want to be the king of the toilets. I want to be the king of the toilets. I want to be the king of the toilets. A350 grease monkey say I want to be king of the toilets. I want to be king of the toilets. 350 break.
Don't make me have to roll this doggone 5, man. Because you said there's a king and there's a queen, and I'm pretty sure you called Soul Snatcher the queen. You know, I don't know about all this. I'm just going it like I heard it. I'm right back.
Georgia all night long, and I can't do nothing with it.
Oh, 3-3.
28 Georgia trash. I'm on the mail.
My 350 grease monkey say bye.
Man, I gotta get that bean put in.
Good.
Tell my old buddy 350-225 said, oh, I can't hear him. He ain't making to the backside of the bean, but oh, down around the bayou country, 25 when it's about the Georgia region.
Every king needs a queen, and he said that you would trip in the head, you could be the queen. Soul Snatcher.
What are you doing rolling up here? I'll give it a Hey, 333 down under. What are you doing rolling up here on the east side? Hey, 333 down under Muskrat.
Hey, Mosquito Man sounded good that time around. Mosquito Man, Bloodhound, Virginia, getting on down.
Hey, Jim, all right, you're right, old man. I heard Soul Snatcher, I think he said something about his Mother Nature started to dip out or something, man. But he told me to tell you good job for dying most of that key. So anyway, Soul Snatcher 85, real good job holding on. Both y'all got a duck-looking mall laid down. Hey, Soul Snatcher 85, 2026 is 350, going to cool us over here with 2%. sound. I'll see you.
207, Muskrat living right there.
114, working this old Clayton station. Right around the Grand Ole Opry. And we just got back on the porch. I was always I hear Soul Snatcher key that last time my Mother Nature may have dropped on him. But it's a pleasure, big brother. Good to hear you. Soul Snatcher, you still got a grip, Grease Monkey, Rimshot, if y'all still got any kind of coffee on my 1,000 birds. Buy 85, buy everybody in the bayou, 350. Down mode, I'll see you.
My 350, you got a small copy. I'm sitting back reading the mail like a duck should. I'm sitting back, I was trying, but now I gotta sit back and read the mail just like the king duck should. 350, you got a copy. Grease Monkey, bye-bye.
Got it all. You said you were sitting back, easing back, reading the mail like a king duck should. 13, looking all this in, and I said, Soul Snatcher, if you still in there too, man, you got any kind of grip on me, I'm gonna get out the way and cool this up like a good thing. I run the Bayou Country, 35027, I'll see you.
From Vertical Horse.
He said bye. 350. Take care. Grease Monkey said, I think he's gone. Bye.
Grease Monkey, Grease Monkey, I'll see you.
I had a water gate running the whole time. 350 had a live gate running. The whole time. Bye.
I'll check it out a little while, man. If you got a timestamp on that gate, I know you like to run yours long sometimes. If you got a timestamp, let me know, man, and I'll check it out so I don't have to sit there and scroll through it. Hey, Grease Monkey, put it on you next time. I'll see you.
The timestamp is 46 minutes. I'll stop it here shortly. I'll go do a separate video on this. But it's only 46 minutes long. I ain't gonna stop. I'll stop it here in a second. 350, 46 minutes. Bye.
And I got that 46 minutes. All right, man. A whole lot of Mother Nature and some antenna, man. Grease Monkey, I'm back in the clear. I'll see ya.
410, 350. I'm gone. Back to the 21. Bye.
I was in there. Y'all at 268 there one time. Hey, good evening, man.
No get back on that BYU. I don't need them haunted spirits in my radio anyway. 27-2, 685.
Yeah, hello to you, 24-5 in the BYU, man. It was about 8 or 9 pounds of bees, but you jumped right on top of that doggone pilot.
I'm loading off the side, buddy. I got this meal southern point right west. Up here on the side with my left wheel hole like your real estate. Swamp Club, Muskrat, loading right up. Mess on the running now. Hey, take care, man. Good to hear you on the band. That old 42 for stalking.
And I got it all 24-5. Enjoy your Duck Bucket Radio, man. I'm going to ease out the way and cool this mess down. I've had this maul down, this old 500s East for 6 5. Enjoy your 2026. 350, getting tongue-tied. I'll see you.
Got this 665. Yes, sir. 665, Southeast Alabama. Sure was, but you come right up in there. Hey, 427, and we just out here loafing on the ground plane. Hey, 427, your friend in the Carolina, Skip Shooter, 357 Magnum, sitting by.